Okay, we're kind of down by the Taipei waterfront. I'll show you the name of the river later. And what we're gonna do is walking by here. I'm just kind of curious about this little homeless box here. There's a bunch of suitcases, some cardboard boxes. Somebody's cleaning up all the litter as well. It's really clean. And pedestrians have the right of way. That's kind of cool. The right of way of what? I don't think cars can come down here. And there's a bunch of little skate parks in here too. So there's some kids doing skating. Looks like a lot of fun for them actually. And what we're gonna do is go down, and we're gonna walk all the way down to the waterfront and check it all out. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, we got some bikers going by. I think we're gonna meet them again near there, but we're just gonna walk down this waterfront. Just want to check out this little homeless thing. It looks so clean and organized, and I've been seeing that as a theme, that a lot of people keep things really clean and organized. Somebody's in there now? Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, I guess there's a few in here. So I guess there's a little bit of a community here. It's really clean and organized. Okay. It's cool. He's doing some prayers there. So you see him, he's kind of doing some prayers. It's kind of a cool image too. I can also see some people going by on bikes up there too. We got some skaters over there. And what we're gonna do is just kind of walk down the waterfront. Did that say pedestrians have the right of way on the bike path? It seemed like that couldn't quite be right. But anyways, we're gonna be walking down this road, this sidewalk, and we're following the river. So I'll put the name of the river down below. There's more planes coming in. So I guess we're walking towards the airport. I hope I'm walking in the right direction. I'm gonna walk to this other neighborhood, and I believe it's in this direction, but I'm not 100% sure. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the camera, and I'm gonna get up a little ways and film. We're still filming. I'm gonna turn off the camera in a little bit as well, but it's just interesting. There's this lifesaver here, and then that way, in case you go into the water a little bit, there's like ways to help somebody who's drowning, which is kind of cool. And then that's kind of the other side. I think that's where the new city of Taipei is at. So it's a little bit of a 360, so you can at least see where we're at, because later we're going to come out over here by all these, there's going to be a lot more people, and it's going to be a little bit crowded. So now we're kind of at the basketball courts, and there's also like a weight area over there, and some lots of bicyclists, more people coming down. It's like grandson and grandchild. So we're gonna just keep on walking down. Actually, it's kind of cool, the music. I guess they're doing karaoke over there. Anyways, we're down the waterfront, and we're gonna keep on walking down. And I think our main focus is down there where that boat is at. There's a guy doing Tai Chi over there, or maybe he's just exercising. I like how that older generation keeps up on that. So, okay. It's actually kind of a pleasant place to be, this whole waterfront. I never really, I used to live in Seoul, and there's a waterfront that a lot of people will ride bikes at all the time. Never really fully appreciated the pleasantness of walking along the waterfront. Okay, looks like they got tennis over here. A cycling circle trip. And somewhere over here, there's gonna be like this big, massive place, and I think it's coming up, so I'll turn the camera for now. Okay, so now we're kind of coming up closer and closer to the area that I was wanting to see, which is this kind of like waterfront spot. And there's like more food choices. You can see some food over there. Still lots of bikers. And actually today is also, I think it's like, I don't know in Celsius, but in Fahrenheit it's like about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So when I first came out of the house today, a lot of people are wearing jackets, but now it's not like that. And what we're gonna do is let's walk in here, and that'll be kind of the end of this one. It's just kind of coming up to it, and then I'm gonna do another video with more detail about it. But so we're basically just doing the waterfront. I'll give you a quick preview before we end this one. I got some bike rental stuff too here. But yeah, basically it looks like they have all these like kind of places to enjoy the waterfront. So all these chairs here, and then these ones here you can drink and eat up here. And you have this waterfront here. So I'm gonna do another video. Oh, you can rent bikes over here as well. So I'll do another video where it's just where I just start out at all this. So stay tuned for that if you want to see that as well. So kind of a cool little spot, the waterfront. Lots of people everywhere. Okay. That was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.